How's it going there, boys and girls? This is Stephen from Thailand Unplugged. We're back with another video. Me and Mal. One of the biggest shopping centres in Bangkok is called Seacon Square. We're going there today to fix Mal's phone. She broke the charge port. So we'll get her phone fixed and have a little look around. All coming up. So let's jump straight into Seacon Square and we'll take Mal's phone to the phone hospital.
Hello everybody. Today I'm going to Seacon Square to fix my phone again because I don't know what's the problem, what's wrong. I cannot to put charger. Yeah. Then have to fix before I go for travel. I will go to India and Kashmir again for Songkran festival because it's a holiday. Everybody have a holiday and they can go for travel for long trip. You know, I no problem because I have no office out. Okay. See you what's the problem with my phone in the Seacon Square.
Seacon Square is a 96 football field size entertainment centre. It is one of Southeast Asia's biggest shopping malls. Apart from hundreds of shops, outlets, selling everything a shopper could possibly want, including a huge IT centre in the basement. And that's where we are to fix Mal's phone. Well, we've had a look at the phones. Pretty sad. 1,500 baht to fix the charge. What's it called? Charge port.
Yeah.
So we're just debating whether to get a new phone. Yeah. Plenty to choose from. That's the end of your problems if you get that. You have no problem with. You'll never fill it. So this one's 10,000.
10,500.
And that's
different 2,000
ให้
บาท
ให้เขา 8,000 แล้วกันเขาจะได้คิดง่ายๆ
This one 8,000.
okay. If you like these videos, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and hit the bell button if you want to be notified of any new ones. And there's plenty of more of these movies where this one come from. Okay, back to the video. Oh, I'm going to the bank. It's got to go to the bank. I film you down to the bank. Give this a try. That's not bad. Not bad at all, actually. Have a dog sale. Yeah. What? Oh, 990, that's not bad. me look. Oh wow, they look good actually. That's good. How much are they? Good. I like that. It's like military, you know?
ฮะ
Riveting? It's riveting, yeah. Yeah. You're fantastic. Yeah, that's you. I can see myself in there, can't I? It's used for makeup. You can put your makeup with them once. Oh well. Amazing. It's a hobby. That's a sport. Putting in glasses. Old people do that. Gonna go into Coco Sport and have a look at some sneakers or runners in my country.
ได้ซื้อได้ครับพี่ถ้า
Got some really good buys in here sometimes. Mal will sniff them out.
Zile eu alerg Al mile pe Maidan Pentru tine Să-ți dau un dar cel mai de preț Dar fără niciun ban Iar sunt inutile Numai tu știi Gheal să-mi dai aripile În Jamaica sau în Chile Inima face bom Numai pentru tine Numai pentru tine
Just going to go to the DTAC shop here. See if I can get a better mobile plan. I use AIS, but we'll see what DTAC's got to offer.
Channel
What?
Channel
Channel what? Okay. What have we got here?
4 megabit per second
4 megabytes a second.
Yeah.
Unlimited for 450 baht.
Yeah.
450, yeah?
Yeah.
Any tax?
Yeah. Have not include the track.
with include for 81 baht 50 สตางค์
What is it? Sick of it now, take it. Check you didn't smudge the cameras now. Cameras are clear. Are you really going to take a selfie?
Yeah. Why? Why not?
It's phone alright, is it? I had to replace that bit there. See in there? See that? Isn't that disgusting? Now I keep shoving things. She's in a big hurry now. She has to shove things in there. Hey, the man, when you go?
Huh?
You go?
Yeah, I want to like volunteer for 1 month something. Have
You wanna see it?
lockdown. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. What's your name? Louis. What's your name? Louis.
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 yeah
Louis. Louis.
Like
Oh,
let's go.
boy, I said away I go. Louis. Good, eh?
Yeah.
What's the name of the shop? Okay, Samsung.
Louis.
Oh, it's Louis. Come here, there. OT shop, and you ask for Louis. That's Louis there. We were here before, do you remember? Love escalators. Okay. Back at the doggies. You see? Whoa, looks like they've got a food festival happening. Should be good. They have a lot in Seacon Square. We've been to quite a few. Sometimes they have Korean. Yeah, I know, Mel. Sometimes they have Korean and then Japanese and Northern Thailand and I don't know what this one's called. Ah, look, somewhere to sit. Sadie Club. Yeah, it looks really good. Food's always tasty in the mall. Mall, depends on what country you're from. I've got to go out for dinner tonight, so I won't partake in this little food festival. It's nice. Oh well, she got her phone fixed. That's good. 1,300 baht. If you're in Thailand, you break your charging port on your phone. So there you go, don't break the charging port on your phone. That's from ramming your cable in, you're in a hurry. I've got to get some charge, and you stick it in, and you break the inside of it. And it's quite a bit of damage. It's pretty complicated to fix, most of them. But some phones are, I've had it before. Some phones are only 400. The Samsung Edge, they're very complicated, so it's pull apart, which they're glued. So we'll pay for all that. Unfortunately, I don't think the part's expensive. I got no idea now. Go up one and walk back that way and see if you can find an elevator. Oh, this is good, this. What are these, mate?
You see?
42 baht, sure.
Yeah. Steven hungry again. I said about 1 hour. We have appointment for dinner with my friend group. Steven cannot wait. Yeah. See? I don't know how to turn. I don't know. Ấy. Ấy. Này nha. Oh. See?
Look at a big roll.
Rồi. See? Steven get two. See? And he get another one. You see? Big one.
Okay. Number 6 now. That's pretty interesting.
I'm sleeping.
Car park at Seacon Square. You know what that is, don't you? Around the back of Seacon Square. That's the actual train market. Or Rat Fay market, if you like. Depends how you want to say it. Typical size, it's got 2 names. It's actually got 3 names, but never mind. Look at the size of it. It's really big. Oh, it is big now. It's opening up because it's on tonight. We're all getting ready, I guess. I don't know. What's the car park you're coming on? Rat Fay Market. Get killed here. Hope you enjoyed that little vlog. I just did it. Today we went to Seacon Square and now I've got a phone fix. Charge ports. So we want to go then, alright? Catch us later. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. It does help us out a hell of a lot. And have a great day while you're at it.